Tony Peters of Protectahome. I'm the Structure Services Manager. This is the Monnow Bridge at Monmouth. This was built around 1290 as one of the rare examples of a medieval fortified bridge. We are stabilising and repairing the bridge using Cintec multibar anchors, Cintec rebar anchors and Cintec 10mm CHS anchors. The design has been carried out by a local engineer. As a Cintec installer, we're installing the anchors to the correct specifications. Wet diamond drilling is being used, and when the job is finally finished, the main contractor will replace the numbered cores back to their exact locations. There will be no indications of where we've been working.